When can roses be? Roses can be repotted with their root ball at any time of the year. However, it is best to repot them after they enter dormancy. What should you pay attention to when repotting a rose with its root ball? First, remove the rose from its pot. You will clearly see a well-developed root system. The canopy has also grown quite large. At this stage, it is a good time to repot. What kind of pot should you choose? It is best to select a pot with good drainage and breathability. We do not recommend using glazed ceramic pots, as they retain moisture too well. What size pot is suitable? If your current pot is 1 gallon in size, choose a new pot that is about 0.5 to 1 times larger. A slightly bigger pot is fine, but it is not recommended to go to large. For example, if your original pot is 12 cm, a new pot between 15 centimeters and 25 centimeters would be appropriate. Follow this guideline. There is no need for an oversized pot. Preparing the soil for repotting. For soil, we use organic potting mix designed for home gardening. This type of soil is free of pests and pathogens. It is also loose, breathable, and retains moisture. Additionally, it contains a full range of essential micronutrients. First, place a layer of base soil in the pot. Then, sprinkle some slow-release fertilizer, such as sheep manure, after adding the potting mix and fertilizer. Lightly mix everything together. How to prepare the rose before repotting. Remove the old and yellowing leaves near the base of the plant. Trim away any dead branches. Then, lightly prune the upper part of the plant. Gently remove some of the topsoil from the surface. Over time, watering causes the soil surface to accumulate excess salts. Before repotting, check the moisture level of the plant. It is best to water the root ball before repotting. Then, after placing it in the new pot, water it again. When filling in the soil, ensure the gaps around the roots are well filled. There is no need to press the soil down firmly. Just lift and shake the pot slightly to settle the soil naturally. This method helps protect the delicate roots from damage. Finally, water thoroughly. Place the plant in full sunlight immediately. Do not keep it in the shade for recovery.